There's a car under the water underneath that tree. If that don't say enough, don't do it, buddy. Don't do it! You're not gonna make it, thank God. Whew, it's ready to go. But I just don't know how many people want to get out.
River rescue time. Saddle Creek.
Alright, y'all, this is outside of my house. Like, the cars are flooded. My car is in the fucking parking lot, okay? The street is flooded like fuck. I really hope my car is not flooded out. It's in this parking lot behind them trees. But look at this shit. This is an SUV and it's covered. Then people still driving down the street. Dude, that's just crazy. This is fucking crazy. These are SUVs. These cars are just getting pushed into one another. Like, whose fault is it? Who's making the insurance claim? It's like a river out.
Alright, y'all, I'm only doing flash real quick. We got major limbs down. You still can't really. This is deep.